Bored of managing ringtones on iTunes? UnlimTones is the perfect solution for you. It's a free tweak to install and can be found on Big Boss repo. So, let's start. Go to Cydia and then search for UnlimTones. UnlimTones is yes free again. Make sure to check the version is 4.8.2 or above. Press install, confirm, and then let the tweak download. This tweak works for both iOS 7 and 8. Once the tweak is installed, press return to Cydia and then go to your springboard. Find the UnlimTones icon. Now open the application. This is how the tweak looks. Now you can search the ringtone you like. Let's search for Shakira. Press add to ringtone. And then this ringtone will be added to the ringtones section. You can also search for Bollywood music. Now these ringtones are downloaded. To apply a ringtone, go to Settings, Sounds. As you apply a normal ringtone, scroll completely down. There you can see your own ringtones. Thank you guys. If you liked the video, kindly like and subscribe our channel.